I am here at Pili Mai, which is the only condominium in Poipu Beach that was built with the intention to be used as a full-time residence or a second home or a vacation rental. The South Shore needed a property like this, a hybrid between a home and a condo with zoning that allows for it to be vacation rented out. You're located right here in Poipu Beach. You're within easy walking distance to the golf course it's located on. Shopping and dining in just a short bike ride away are some of the most well-known beaches on the South Shore. And even though you're right here in Poipu, this complex is set back just far enough to be out of the traffic and the day-to-day buzz. Pili Mai finished construction on their first building in 2016 and their last building in 2020. To put that into perspective, most of the condominium complexes in Poipu were built roughly 40 years earlier. There are 7 different floor plans here, ranging from 2 to 4 bedrooms. The floor plans live more like a home than a typical condo. Some units are single story, and all of the layouts feel open and comfortable with central air conditioning and finishes that feel current. These units work well whether you're here full or part-time. Every unit has a 1-car garage, and most also come with an additional assigned parking stall. No other condo complex in Poipu offers this, and I've always said that this complex is more like a hybrid between a home and a condo. If you're not ready for a single family home, but you want something that lives like one, this is the complex for you. You can vacation rent it out when you're gone or just lock it up and leave. It's a great setup. All the amenities that you need to check those vacation rental or resort living boxes are included. A resort style pool, jacuzzi, separate kiddie pool, air-conditioned fitness center with elevator access. There's also an outdoor kitchen that owners can reserve for private gatherings. Covered seating areas by the pool and barbecues are spread out throughout the property. There are a mix of owners ranging from full-time residents, people who use their units strictly as second homes, and others who successfully vacation rent out their units, sometimes a combination of both. This balance of ownership gives you the option to have neighbors, which is very rare for resort condominium complexes. Interestingly, the dues at Pili Mai went down in 2026. This is the only condominium complex in Poipu where that happened, and it was because of some proactive water leak detection work that the association did. So you're looking at relatively low dues compared to similar properties. This is honestly one of my most favorite complexes in Poipu. It's flexible, well thought out, and it works for how people actually live and use their homes here.